Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to upload and display your own videos in WordPress. Perfect if you want to share tutorials, showcase products, or simply add some custom flair to your website. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to embed videos right onto your pages or posts using WordPress's built-in tools, and you'll understand why each step is important for creating a professional-looking site. Let's jump right in. Now, before we start, there's one crucial thing you need to know. WordPress only lets you use the video block if you're on one of their premium plans. So if you're using the free version and don't see this feature, that's why. Upgrading to premium unlocks not only the video block, but a host of other helpful blocks and tools. If you plan on sharing videos regularly or want more design flexibility, it's definitely worth considering. Once you've got your premium plan set up, head over to your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you want your video to appear. At the very top of the editor, you'll see a little plus sign. This is how you add new blocks to your page. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A search bar will appear and you can simply type in video. You should see the video block pop up instantly. If you like to keep things visual, you can also just scroll through the list of blocks until you find the one labeled video. Now here where you have some options. You can click the video block directly to insert it into your page at the spot that's currently selected. Or, if you want your video in a very specific place, click and drag the video block instead. Dragging lets you visually place the block exactly where you want it on the page. Super handy if you're building out a section or working with a complex layout. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect on your first try. You can always move blocks around later if you change your mind. Next, with your video block in place, it's time to add your actual video file. When you click the block, you'll see two main options: Upload and Media Library. If your video is still on your computer, click the Upload button and select your file, just like attaching a file to an email. WordPress will automatically upload it and insert it into your post. Depending on the size of your video and your internet connection, this might take a few moments, so be patient. Alternatively, if you've already uploaded the video to WordPress in the past, or you have several videos you switch between, hit the Media Library option. This will open up your library of all previously uploaded files, and you can just select the one you want. It's a lot like picking a photo from your phone's camera roll, and it means you don't have to re-upload the same video multiple times. And that's it, the video will instantly appear right where you place the block, ready to play for your site visitors. From here, you can preview your page, move or resize the video block if you need, or add captions and extra details for context. It's all incredibly user-friendly, and your videos will look professional and polished. So there you have it. Now you can confidently upload and display your own videos on your WordPress site, turning ordinary posts into interactive experiences. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I check those and I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical WordPress tutorials and web tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.